are here today in the palace of the Alafin.
Yes.
Thank you very much for giving me the opportunity to talk to you. I just have small questions about the relationship with the Alafin and the family of Bangoshe. First of all, can you tell me your name, please?
My name
Yes.
is Bolariwa.
Bolarimwa
Bolariwa.
Adiemi.
Adé.
You are the grandson of Alafin Adeni one, correct?
Correct.
So you are the elderly person from the family of today Ademi from the Alafin. Am I correct, sir?
You are correct.
So,
Yeah.
pronto, rápido, eu só solicitei a gentileza do Babá para perguntar sobre a relação da família Bangoshe e a família real do Alafin. Ele é a pessoa mais velha, o homem mais velho hoje da família do Alafin, da família Ademi. Ele é bisneto do Alafin Ademi I e é familiar do Alafin corrente que está hoje no trono. Baba, very shortly, all the olden days, Bangoshe, everybody knows Bangoshe is a Shango family, Oni Shango.
Yes.
Bangoshe originated from Oyole together with Alafin.
They are from Oyole together with Alafin.
They are from Oyole together with Alafin.
Yes, yes.
So olden days, I'm not saying today, but olden days, they are original Oni Shango.
They are original Shango.
Pronto, estou a perguntar ao Babá se esta família Bangoshe, se a origem deles tem a ver com Alafin e com Oyole. Ele disse que sim, que esta família originou em Oyole e que vieram juntamente com Alafin. E que são uma família de Xangô. Babá, now what is the relationship between Alafin and Bangoshe? Can Bangoshe become a king? Is he royal family?
They are not.
They are not.
Yes.
They are not a royal
They are
family.
Shango, yeah.
They are Shango worshippers.
Yeah.
But what is the relationship with the Adeyemi family that Bangoshe has with the Alafin?
It's a good question. One daughter of Adeyemi family.
Adeyemi, but Adeyemi what?
Adeyemi family.
Yes, but Adeyemi now or Adeyemi before?
Adeyemi before.
So Adeyemi 2 or Adeyemi 1?
Adeyemi one.
One.
And grandson.
Okay.
Grandson. So one daughter, that grandson, Adjo, who followed Adelaku, Ajaremo, Alolodu Williams. When Adelaku died, Adjo took up,
Become Arema.
become Adjo.
So they were
The daughter of Adjo
married Bangoshe.
Bangoshe.
So he married one woman, married Bangoshe man.
Yes.
Correct? That is the relationship
That is the reason.
they have. So Baba, this daughter from this Arema, Juan, Ajuan was the son of Adeyemi one, correct?
Yes, yes.
So, ele está a dizer que a família Bangoshe é Oni Xangô, é uma família de Xangô, e que a relação que eles têm com a família do Alafin é que o filho, Adjuan, que era Aremã do Adeyemi I, uma filha dele casou com um filho da família Bangoshe. So, Baba, this Adeyemi I, he reigned in 1876. Am I
Yes.
correct? Around
Yeah,
that time.
yeah.
That time, the family was Oni Xangô.
They are only Shango.
That time,
Yeah.
they are really Oni
Yes,
Xangô.
yes.
Pronto, eu estou-lhe a perguntar porque em 1976 foi a época em que o Adeyemi I reinou e quando o filho, pronto, a neta dele casou com a família Bangoshe. Nessa altura, a família era pura de Xangô, eles eram descendentes de Xangô. Baba, I thank you very much.